Am I on? Okay. Welcome to the Andrew Dork Show. Today we are showing this beyond convenient invention. Its name is the Universal Remote Controlling Remote. Today, Anthony is going to show what the remote control can do. And Kevin, this handsome boy, is going to be our human guinea pig. Let's see what the function of the remote control. First, slow mode. Click. Fast mode. Click. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Play. Click. Also, I can change the language from English. English.
Hi, I'm Kevin. Hi.
Chinese.
Click. 你好，我是郑凯文。你好，你好，你好。
Even Martian.
Click. Yeah.
Okay, enough of this. Mute.
Hey.
Turn back.
Click. Hey, you suck.
It can control absolutely everything. Okay, give me that. It can even change our appearance. From click.
Handsome. Click. More handsome. Click.
Extremely ugly.
And then
the price of the Universal Remote Controlling Remote is $999.99999 US. If you purchase our product in 5 seconds, we'll give you 2 batteries with cell power and this cool stick. So what are you waiting for? Come and dial the number 0001234567889. Click.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.